tanker, while your brother will lower a plank and then climb down a knotted rope on top of the water tanker. Once he is on top of the water tanker, he must make his way across the tanker and down inside, where he will retrieve a key to free his brother. His brother will hand him a pole. He will then make his way to the top of his tanker, while the brother underneath retrieves the flag. The brother on top of the tanker with the pole will place the pole. The other brother will come out with the flag and place that flag. All right, they're off. All right, now he's going to make his way out there and climb down the rope ladder. He's going to climb down this knotted rope. All right, now he's going to be careful. He's going to make his way across the top of the tanker without falling off.
Nice. You can do it. Come on.
Now Matthew needs to get the key to unlock Nathan. He's having trouble getting the key. Now Matthew needs to get the key to unlock Nathan.
Go. Go get him.
All right, they made the exchange. Tanker truck now. Nathan's got to get the flag and then meet him on top of the truck. Oh. Okay, he just located the flag. Nathan just got the flag.